Want to know how to unlock secret routes faster in Hidden Potential in Dragon Ball Z? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how I can do it easily in just under a minute. So let's get straight to it. So this is the smartest way to do it, okay? So I'm just going to explain it to you. First, always aim to pull at least one duplicate of the unit because each dupe opens one major route. The top left route is the cheapest, so unlock that first. Second, when you do get copies, do not jump or dump orbs everywhere. Prioritize the bottom right route. That one gives the biggest stat boost. Third, farm orb events on their boost weeks. On weekends and special campaigns, the drop rate spikes, meaning more orbs for less stamina. And finally, always check your friend summon pool. If you take them, you might have units sitting there with free dupes if you haven't used yet. And that's it. Unlocking routes faster means strong units instantly without wasting items. And this is how you unlock secret routes in Hidden Potential. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.